Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Fortnite Error 10022. To start, open Epic Games. Here, go to Library. After this, click on the Fortnite menu and select Manage. When you do this, click Verify located in the Verify Files section. Wait for this process to finish. Then open File Explorer, go to the Programs folder and open Epic Games. Then in the Fortnite folder, access Fortnite game. Here in Binaries, open the Win64 folder. As a first step, in the Easy Anti-Cheat folder, double-click on the application. You're going to go back to the Win64 folder and delete the Easy Anti-Cheat and Battley folders. Likewise, delete the Fortnite files. As a result of this, if you try to open Fortnite, you will see an error associated with missing files. To complete the process, click on the Fortnite context menu and select Manage. After this, click on Verify. You will see that the files are installed again and they will be verified. Now open Fortnite without error 10022. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.